I have absolute capital management rules. So I have a total exposure cap and I have an exposure limit for each system. So when I turn on my computer at night, I do my analysis at night typically, and I place the trade in the morning. So I split it up. And the reason I do that is because it gives me more time to do the hypothesis testing if there's something I have to investigate. But at night, I'll look at my balance from the day, my exposure in each market, and my exposure for each system, and I'll compare it to my rules. If there's no capital available for a system, I don't scan for entry rules. So no ideas come up. I'll look for exits. If I have a system that has some spare exposure, some spare capital that I can use, then I'll scan for entry rules. So on a day-to-day basis, that's how I do it. There's absolute rules. I do use leverage, not much though. But that leverage is included in that exposure limit. I will never go over because, oh, that's a nice looking trade. I might just take a bit more leverage so I can take this trade. No, because that's breaking the rules. And that leads to trouble because you're adding more leverage than you backtested, more risk. And if you're a trader trading for a living, you cannot afford to put your capital at risk because that is your lifeblood. You know, if you blow up, it's game over. You've got to go back to work. You've got to get a job. And definitely want to avoid that at all costs.